to do a vlog again. Just cause I have nothing to do with my life besides the OJT stuff. So, what else am I gonna do with my life? So today, it's gonna be my white coat soon. It's gonna be in, wait lang. So it's Monday today, Tuesday, Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So like, it's in 3 days. And, I'm experimenting sa curls. I'm seeing if it's like, alternate na direction. Does it still look okay? I think okay naman siya. I don't know, later, let's see. We're gonna see anong opinion ng aking friends. Okay, so I'm kind of like late na for internship. Not really. I'm supposed to leave here by 7:45 because we do carpool. 8:30 yung start ng internship namin. And I have to be there at around like at least 8 or 8:15. On days that I need my concealer to last. This is the one I use. This one is from Tevion. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Super nice. Naman ako super late, actually. Sakto pa lang. I just freak out a lot. Joke. Nagka-carpool kasi kami, so I can't be late. You know what I mean? Nagigets niyo. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys my bag. This is what I bring to work. It's kind of like big. They bring a lot of stuff that I don't really need, pero yeah. Okay. Almost forgot. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Oh my gosh. Ano? Bakit? Guys, tignan nyo. First time na spell ng maayos yung name ko. Ellie. First time ko din ulit mag-ayos. Tapos yun. Tapos, morning po. Tapos, ito nga yung bed ko.
Yan, magbastos o nga, pangit pinag-uusapan, dun siya nag-record. Ano mo, sa sasakyan, nag-video siya ng biyahe. Lang kinukwento ko sa ID to din. Itim ko.
Paano kaya?
Palit na ang skin tint ko.
So, ano po kayo mag-body roll ni Ellie? Ganun. Tapos, paano babalik sa taas? Ayun na. Tignan niyo, may dadating.
Yes.
Kinakanta niya guys, sabi niya.
Papunta na kayo.
Uy, agaw ka.
Tignan mo yun.
Ginugulo mo yung bilang namin.
Kinuha ko yung lot number.
Hindi sa bata picture. Gugulo ka ng trabaho ng may trabaho.
Ito.
Sa picture.
Ito thumbnail ko.
Age weight. Yan na ang kalaban.
Ayan na yung
Tulungan
kalaban.
natin ulit, Sam.
Tignan niyo.
makikita ko dyan.
Magpapapal ako. Tignan niyo yung suot niya. Kung AirPods pa yan o hearing aid.
I don't close my eyes. Sarah.
Hi guys. Tignan niyo yung salamin ko. Tignan niyo. Kapal.
Bilugin mo na, sir. Bilugin mo na. Bilugin ka na. Coach, mag-hi ka sa class ko.
Okay. Hi!
Post ka muna. Post badminton. Best coach ever. Pero hindi ko
Coach mo siya?
Hindi.
May video na yan. Bata po itong mature na kaila. Panalberia kanina yan.
Check niyo yung channel niya, Coach. Julia Barreto.
Hindi pa ito. Kilala mo yan? Kaya pili ni Julia di paling ang
Nakikita nyo? Nakikita nyo yun?
Sabi mo ko doon.
Best. Guys, kahit di nyo nakikita, madilim. Pagtiisin nyo na lang, maririnig nyo naman ako, diba? Magja-jog si Chloe, tapos hindi kami sasama kasi gusto ko na lang humiga. Ayan na. We're here. Because I knew you. Parol ba yan? It's giving SLU. First time ko, di ba, manood. Sobrang, ano siya, no, Sam? Parang magical, ganon. Parang siyang ano, Chloe? Disneyland na parade. Parang ganon.
Super school yung lantern.
Pero super department.
Oo, department.
Pero super mailaw, ganon.
School kasi tawag mo. School, pero nakaya.
Sabi niya, magpo-park kayo, mama. Ay, hindi, tatambay na. Malamang! Parking na! Anong gagawin mo dyan?
Si ate.
Parang naalala ko si Vice ganda. Ayaw niyang tinatanungan siya ng mga common sense, no?
literal.
Oo. Hey guys, nag-walk kami right now. Daming tao! Oh my god! Papakita ko. Hindi, doon sa harap! Wait lang. Okay, tatawid na kami. Sasama ko kayo. Baka mahulog airpods ko. Okay. Hi guys. Still here. It's currently 6:30. Guys, good morning. So, I'm kind of like in a rush and I'm really late. I feel like I'm always late anyway. Pero, I can't wait. I'm just gonna do my brows and then I'm gonna leave na. So, I didn't get to vlog last night. Kauwi. And I was so tired. I went home at around like 8. Hindi, 7:30 naman. Tapos, I just had a shower. And I slept at 8:30. Tapos, right now, I woke up at 7:30. So, anyways, I don't know if sasabihin ko to. But, I have a conflict with a friend of mine. And, it's been really kind of like hard to reach out because, again, she doesn't know that I know that she's like, she's not talking shit naman. She's not. It's different. Never shock you. Not parang like, why would she think of me like that? Parang ganun. Siyempre, as her friend, it's kind of like sad for me. Kasi iba tingin ko. It's really like a what the fuck moment. Hi guys. Tingnan nyo. Buong convo namin sunnies lang. Hindi kami tumigil. Pag-gising namin naman. Tapos papunta work dito. Yun pa din topic namin. Sabi ni Chloe, kasi nagbabasa siya ng ano, hindi yung mga live selling. Sabi niya, cute daw natin, Ana. Anak po, talabas yun.
Pero kumamatay pag di nakabili yung sweater. Lamig na lamig.
Christmas, wow. Catherine? Catherine? Close up pa yan. Loisa, humarap ka naman. Hey guys, again, I didn't get to vlog yesterday because sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. It's been like 2 days now. Hindi ko alam bakit. Nag-start siya ng Tuesday. Like yung kauwi. Last night, I don't remember what time din ako nakasleep. Pero, it was definitely like an hour after I showered. Anyway, I'm gonna try to vlog today. I hope makakapag-vlog ako. That's all. Hey guys. Ngayon, ano ba gamit mo? Pataas. Nag-order kami milk tea because we were craving sweets. Okay, bye vlog. Hi guys. Pagod ako. Huwag ako mag-vlog.
After yan, syempre, sasara mo.
Mas mag-isagaw.
Pag sinara mo,
Para
isisil
kung bite.
ito yung pasil. Mainit.
Amoy usok. Hindi na naman kami nakapagdala ng face mask.
Carcinogenic. Sarado siya.
Yay!
Ang trabaho niya, papasok niya sa box.
Perfect. Okay, hi guys. I just got my brows done. Okay naman siya. Right now, I'm at stop. I'm waiting for my order. Pero gusto ko na umuwi. Sa feeling ko lalagnatin ako. I got my food na here. Now, uwi na ako. I will see you guys at home. Bye! Hey guys, I'm done. like half bath and everything. I can't. Hi! I ordered an okra blah. Okay, this is the sauce. Nung huli ko siya in-order ko siya from Grab. So, dito, agad na lang minix. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Ito na siya. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Yay! Let's eat. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. Ba't pala nagpa-extra sauce ako? Bon appetit. Thursday, December 4, 10:58 a.m. I have to leave now. But I'm like still here. Again. Are the lenses too big? I don't know.
Thank you very much for your continued trust to Our Lady of
Guys, I'm home. White coat is done. So happy. So happy kasi, I mean, to be honest, hindi ko naman siya totally nilolook forward na. Not like before. Kasi, yun nga, nakapag-intern na ako nakapag-intern na ako, bago ko pa siya like dito, bago pa mag-white coat. Eh, di ba usually, dapat mag-white coat ka muna bago ka alam mo yung tinanggal nila yung fun and excitement. So, right now, nagliligpit lang ako ng pinagamitan ko ng makeup. Kasi, super in-rush na ako kanina. So, kalat-kalat na yung gamit ko dito. Ginawa ko na lang itong lalagyanan ko nalalagyanan ko ng chocolate. Kasi, hindi naman ako mapag-hot coffee sa bahay. Pag hot coffee lang ako outside, so, medyo useless pa. Ewan ko, why do I keep yapping? Okay. Let's unbox. We're gonna unbox something. I hope wala akong makakasalubong kung kakilala. Pero nasa SM Clark ako ngayon. Ang daming tao, sobra. I'm on my way out sa parking. Oh my gosh, I hope wala talaga ako kakilala. Kasi nabili ko na yung...
Ito ay patuloy na mangyayari, aba, delikado, baka mamaya.
Hey guys, today, I'm gonna do Pilates. Nakapansok ko, pero importante, nagawa ko yung dapat kong gawin. So, huwag nyo na lang ako judge. Guys, I'm here at Han. Dala ako ng gelato. Oh my gosh, look! Wow! I didn't know they do stuff like this for kids. Ah. Guys, look, it's so cute. This is my first time actually seeing everything. Hindi pa bawas. So this is so cute. Peanut butter. Mango. At ang konti na ngayon. Sino nag-scoop ko ito po? This is peanut butter. And then this is mango. Long cute. Okay guys, I'm here at Mandawi Foam. Looking for... Wala, nagtitingin lang ng furniture.